So our main office, of course, is in Houston. We're a Houston-based company. We're right off of Judiway near Waltrip High School, but we service all over surrounding Houston, all the way up to Humble, Atascosita, all the way out west to Katy, all the way as far as Anahuac and Baytown, and we're all the way south, down south, Pirates Cove, Pirates Beach, Tiki Island, Galveston, of course.
So yeah, like he was saying, our main shop is in Houston, Texas, right on TC Jester and 610, but we service all over the place. We have a huge radius. Tiki Island, Sugarland, Missouri City, we go to Katy, we go up to north to Conroe, Kingwood.
Yeah.
Leak City.
Woodlands, we're trying to tap into the woodlands as well.
Bel Air, Westview, Memorial,
Heights,
Tanglewood,
Oak Forest.
We go
Greater Houston.
we go all over Houston, wherever our customers are needed.